In a monumental move, the European Union has approved sweeping reforms aimed at addressing irregular migration within its borders. The package, which received a crucial vote of approval from the European Parliament, marks a significant shift in how the EU handles the influx of asylum seekers, particularly from conflict-ridden regions like the Middle East and North Africa. The reforms target the burden on member states, such as Greece, Italy, and Malta, which have historically borne the brunt of migrant arrivals. Under the new framework, the EU will adopt a more collective approach, redistributing responsibilities across all 27 member states. This includes mechanisms for relocating asylum seekers and providing financial and logistical support for processing refugee claims.
In the making.
Roberta Metsola, President of the European Parliament, hailed the reforms as a long-awaited achievement, emphasizing the EU's commitment to managing migration effectively. The overhaul also entails amendments to the Dublin Regulation, which previously placed the onus on individual member states to process asylum claims for migrants arriving at their borders. With the reforms, the EU aims to ensure a fairer distribution of this responsibility. The timing of these reforms is crucial, with migration emerging as a key issue ahead of the upcoming European elections. Against a backdrop of rising anti-immigrant sentiments and the resurgence of right-wing politics in several EU countries, mainstream parties are under pressure to demonstrate proactive measures in addressing migration challenges. While the reforms represent a significant milestone, some experts caution that they may not go far enough. Critics argue that the burden-sharing mechanisms and solidarity measures outlined in the package may fall short of addressing the root causes of irregular migration or achieving substantial redistribution of responsibilities. Nevertheless, proponents argue that the reforms signal a step towards greater cohesion and trust among EU member states in managing migration. The implementation of these measures is expected to unfold gradually, with potential hurdles and negotiations among member states likely to shape their effectiveness. As the EU grapples with a multitude of challenges, from geopolitical tensions to climate change, the outcome of these migration reforms will play a pivotal role in shaping the bloc's future unity and resilience in the face of ongoing crises. Stay tuned for further updates as the EU navigates this critical juncture in its migration policy.